you're experiencing the FIFA 24 Matchmaking Error 2025, follow these simple steps to help resolve the issue and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official FIFA or EA Sports website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming console or PC completely and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh your connection to the game servers. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your console or PC and install them to fix potential bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can run a speed test or try connecting to a different network to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by holding the power button until the system shuts down, then unplug it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game launcher settings. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate the Matchmaking Error 2025 in FIFA 24. Enjoy your gaming.